Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by eliminating the simplest blockages. First, make sure the Pinterest app or browser tab is updated. Outdated code often breaks search. Once done, toggle your network, switch Wi-Fi to cellular or disable any VPN or proxy, because routing issues prevent queries. Next, clear the app cache or browser cookies and sign out. This removes corrupted local data. After you sign back in, run a quick search to confirm whether results reappear and to decide the next step. If basic fixes didn't fix it, move into targeted diagnostics. Reinstall the app because a fresh install replaces damaged components. On web, use an incognito window to rule out extensions or saved state. Once done, test search on a different device to see if the problem is local to one client. Also, flush your device or router DNS and confirm system, time, and region settings are correct. Pinterest relies on correct locale and DNS to surface index content, so these steps help explain why searches might. To finish, take actions that either restore service or escalate. If search still fails, report the problem through Pinterest's help/report tool with screenshots and exact steps so their team can reproduce it. Meanwhile, try signing in with another account or create a test account to determine if the issue is account-specific. Account flags can block search. Finally, give recent changes 24 to 48 hours for reindexing after you've reset networks and reinstalled. If it persists, mention this timeline in your support report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.